Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics assignment number 62 related to the topic mensuration. Right? Here is the first question. A circus tent is cylindrical up to a height of 4 meters and conical about it. If the diameter of the base is 105 meters and the slant height of the conical part is 53 meters, then the total canvas used in making the tent is. Now we want to find means the circus tent is in the form of cylinder above like this conical part, like this conical part. Now canvas required means lateral surface area of the cylinder plus lateral surface area of the core. So total canvas is equal to LSA of cylinder plus LSA of core. LSA of cylinder plus LSA of core. So lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus lateral surface area of a cone pi r l. Pi r l. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is nothing but radius. What is radius? Diameter of the base is 105. So radius is 105 by 2 into what is height? Height of the cylinder is 4 meters, right? Into 4 plus 22 by 7 into radius 105 by 2 into L. Slant height is given. And the slant height of the conical part is 53 meters into 53. Right? These two get cancelled. This 7, 1, 15 times. So 15 into 4, 60. That is equal to 60 into 22 plus this 7, 1, 5, 15 times, and this is 11 times. That is 53 into 165. 53 into 165. Now this 22 into 60 how much? See, 22 into 0. 120 plus 6 2s are 12. 132, that is 1320 plus 165 into 53. 165 into 53. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 3 4, that is 494. 25 2 30 32 3 5 8. That is equal to 5. 9 plus 5 14. 6 plus 1 7 8. That is plus 8745. That is equal to, add this to 5, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 3 10, 1 remaining, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. That is meter square of canvas is required. So the correct answer is option 2. 10,065 meters square canvas is required. So option 2 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. A well of diameter 14 meter is dug 15 centimeter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of circular ring of width 7 meter to form an embankment. The height of embankment is. The height of embankment is. So this is considered as 15 meter depth. A well diameter 14 meters is depth, 15 meter depth, deep, right? So this is in cylindrical shape. Well is in cylindrical shape. So diameter. So radius of cylinder is equal to 7 meter and height of the cylinder is 15 meter. 15 meter. The take around of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of circular ring of width 7 meter to form an embankment. So volume of this cylinder is equal to volume of the circular ring. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of circular ring. Volume of circular ring. That implies volume of cylinder pi r square h is equal to pi h into r square minus r square. Volume of ring. That implies this pi get cancelled. So here you take h1, that is h is height of the ring. So r radius of the cylinder is 7, that is 7 into 7 into height is 15 meters is equal to h into r, capital R square minus small r square. Capital R is outer radius, small r is inner radius, right? Inner radius we know, inner radius is nothing but radius of the well. Outer radius means, and width is 7 meters, right? Width is 7 meters. 7 plus 7, 14 meters. 14 square minus 7 square. That is equal to 7 into 15 is equal to h into 14 minus 7. 7 into 21. This 7 get cancelled. That implies h is equal to 7 into 15 by 7 into 15 by 21. 3 7s are 5 3s are 15. That implies h is equal to 5 meters. So height of the ring is 15 meters. Simple. This is like a well, right? So dig and this place as like this, right? Now we find the height of this dig, the height of this ring, right? So inner radius means radius of the cylinder. Outer radius means this radius plus this radius, this length. This length is already given 7 meters and this radius is 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So the correct answer is height is 5 centimeters. So correct it as meters, not centimeters. These are meters. 5 meters, 6 meters and 7 meters. So the answer is 5 meters. Now coming to the next one. The diameter of the internal and external surface a hollow spherical shell are 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of a diameter 14 centimeters. Then the height of the cylinder is. The diameter of a internal and external surface of hollow hemisphere. So internal and external hemisphere is, so small r1 is equal to diameter means 3 centimeter and capital R, small r or capital R1 is equal to 5 centimeters, right? So inner radius is 3 centimeters, outer radius is 5 centimeters. It is melted and recast into cylinder, means volume of hollow hemisphere is equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of hollow hemisphere is 2/3 pi into r cube minus r cube. Pi into r cube minus r cube is equal to volume of a cylinder pi r square h. So here it treated, this is capital R1, small r1. So 2 by 3 pi r1 cube minus r1 cube is equal to pi r square h, where this r is radius of the cylinder. That applies. This pi get cancelled. 2 by 3 into r1 cube. R1 is 5 cube minus small r1 cube is 3 cube is equal to, what is the radius of this radius of the recast into solid cylinder of diameter 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters means radius is 7. That is 7 whole square into h. That implies 2 by 3 into 5 cube is 125 minus 3 cube is 27 is equal to 49 into h. That implies 2 by 3 into 125 minus 27 that is 98 is equal to 49 into h. 49 ones are 49 twos are. That implies h is equal to 4 by 3. H is equal to 4 by 3, that is equal to 1.33 centimeters. 4 by 3, that is equal to 1.33 centimeters. So the height of the cylinder is 1.33 centimeters. So option 1 is the correct answer. This is today's assignment. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.